Annapolis is seeing inventory rise, but home prices are also rising. It's Friday, April 17th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis remains a solid seller's market with 1.9 months of inventory supply, and these are selling at list price. Buyers need to move quickly in this competitive seller's market. Active inventory rose again this week by 4.3% to 217 units for sale, remaining at a median $669,000 list price. These have been listed for 32 median days. 35 units will be coming soon, rising 10% to a median $725,000 list price. New contracts are up 27% to 38 under contract in 13 days, and the list price at time of contract rose 9.7% this report to $650,000. 26 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio and at a 2.4% increase in the median sold price this week of $652,500 and selling in 6 days. 40 rental properties are for lease, falling 2.9% to $2,600 per month, and these have been listed for rent for 36 days. Do you have questions about your real estate needs? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, April 17th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.